What's up, guys? Just got here to Agility Customs, ready to pick up the Jeep finally. I'm so excited. Damn, look what we got behind our Jeep. Stradman 6x6 looking sick. There's the OLJ. Got her all loaded up. Super excited. Truck's looking fresh with the new wheels. If you guys haven't seen that video, go look at the before and after. Made a huge difference. Heck yeah, get her home and break it in a little bit. Maybe drive it, meet some family tonight, and then hopefully we got her all broke in and we can really see how much better she does crawling at Trail Hero in a couple weeks. Heck yeah. All right, so I just installed the 43 tooth speedometer gear in the transfer case. It is like dead on, maybe 1 mile an hour off or not, but it's pretty close to dead on, so I'm super excited. I'll do a video now. We'll jump on the freeway, come around town, and you can actually see the real miles per hour to RPM ratio with the new gear ratio. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's awesome. I just checked it again to be sure, and we are right on. Pretty freaking close. If anything, it might be 1 mile an hour off or so, but it's not more than one. So if the needle's sitting right at 70, it ranges between, on the GPS app, saying 69 and 70. So it's pretty much dead on. And I'm excited considering 513's everything I read, people trying to scare me out of it. We got our cruise set right now, 71, going down a hill obviously, but sitting right at, 28, between 28, 29, 28, 50 RPMs at 70 miles an hour. So that's not horrible. I'm super excited. Like I said, I can still cruise the freeway for a while, and I took it crawling with Cole a little bit, and dang, this thing is low. You throw it in 4 low and low, and it is creepy crawling. So I'm super stoked. All right, so we just jumped off the freeway. I know a lot of you are gonna be watching this video for different things. Some people care freeway speeds. Some people want to see the RPMs to normal speeds. Some people are gonna want to see, crawling, stuff like that. So I was kind of, hopefully I can get all of it. If there's anything you specifically want to see or know, DM me on Instagram at Skinners_dose, and I'll get them answered. So I'm here to answer your questions. I still have tons of research to do. I look up everything on the internet, and I'll ask people questions all the time. So that's what this community is about. That's what this page is about, is to try and see, you guys seen how I'm getting my adrenaline, but at the same time, if any of my projects spark your interest, great, subscribe, let's see it, and DM me and I'll answer your questions. But right now, at about, we can even go down to 30 for you, but 30 miles an hour, you're looking at about 1,300 RPMs. So like I said, honestly, for daily driving, you can still do it. Like I said, the freeway, it is a little bit tough. Not like real tough, but I wouldn't personally want to push it much past that, 28, 2900 RPMs cruising at 70. And I wouldn't want to go on a long road trip. But if I had to run a 10, 15 minute daily commute, I could do it easily in this and still take it to the trail, be fine. We're super stoked at Trail Hero. We're going to be at Trail Hero in October. I'm super excited too. We'll be just parking where we stay around Hurricane and Washington, and then we'll just be driving everywhere. I'll drive into St. George. The wife wants to shop. We'll drive to the trails. I'm not trailering it everywhere. I'll trailer it to St. George. Then after that, I'm stoked on the gearing, and we'll be able to drive it wherever we want. So super excited. An awesome purchase. If anyone's debating between 488s, 513s, just do the 513s. You won't regret it. Honestly, I would have done the even lower if I could have, but this is the lowest I could go with this axle. So, but yeah, I'm super excited. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, and here is for all of you that have been excited to see how low it is. So right now, we're in low, 4 low. This is just with my foot off the brake. And this obviously is with some gas, but and we got to give it 3,000 RPMs just for 10 miles an hour. It is so awesome. That is crazy. Now low and drive. Maybe. Pretty crazy. Super excited.